A 1.5 meter tall boy is looking at the top of a temple which is 30 meter in height from a point at certain distance. The angle of elevation from his height to the top of the crown of the temple increases from 30 degrees to 60 degrees as he walks towards the temple. Find the distance he walked towards the temple. So this is the given problem. So let us visualize this problem first. A temple is there which height is 30 meters. Let us assume the height of the temple as AB, that is 30 meters is given. On the ground, from a certain distance, a boy, a 1.5 meter tall boy, is looking at the top of the temple. So now the eye of the boy, let us imagine a horizontal line, that is DG. Now from this point D, the boy is observing the top of the temple with an angle of elevation 30 degrees. The boy move towards the temple. Now let us assume the second position of the boy as EF. From the point F, the boy is observing again the top of the temple with an angle of elevation 60 degrees. So let us take the height of the temple AB as 30 meters and from a certain position, that is CD, the height of the boy, that is 1.5 meters. From point D, the boy is observing the top of the temple with an angle of elevation. When he moves towards the temple, the angle of elevation increases from 30 degrees to 60 degrees. Now let us take the second position of the boy as EF. From the point F, the boy again observing the top of the temple with an angle of elevation 60 degrees. Now this is the rough diagram for the given situation. Now here the height of the boy, that is CD and EF and AG, is equals to 1.5 meters. And from the picture it is clear that the length of BG, that is AB minus AC, AG, that is 30 minus 1.5 equals to 28.5 meters. So therefore the length of BG equals to 28.5 meters. Now let us assume the distance that the boy walked towards the temple, that is DF equals to X meters and also FG equals to Y meters. Now let us take right triangle BFG. So if we observe right triangle BFG, in this right triangle we have the angle 60 degrees. For the given angle 60 degrees, we have the opposite side, that is GB, whose length, that is BG, whose length is 28.5 meters, and the adjacent side of 60 degrees, that is FG, which we assume as Y meters. So here for the 60 degrees angle we have opposite side and we need to find adjacent side, that is Y meters. So let us establish a relationship between these two sides. For this we need to take tan trigonometric ratio. So tan 60 degrees equals to BG by FG. Substituting their corresponding values, we get root 3 equals to 28.5 by Y. On simplifying, we get Y equals to 28.5 by root 3. Let us take this as equation 1. Now let us take one more right triangle, that is right triangle BDG. In this right triangle BDG, we have the opposite side, that is BG equals to 28.5 meters, and for the 30 degrees angle, the adjacent side is dg, that is the sum of the lengths of df and fg, that is x plus y. So here also we need to establish a relationship between opposite side and adjacent side. So that's why we need to take tan ratio. So let us take tan ratio. So tan 30 degrees equals to bg by dg. Here tan 30 value is 1 by root 3 and bg equals to 28.5 and the dg value is x plus y. Now on simplifying this we get x plus y equals to 28.5 into root 3. Take it as equation 2. Now from equation 1 we have y equals to 28.5 by root 3, and from equation 2 we have x plus y equals to 28.5 root 3. So if we substitute y value in second equation, we get x plus 28.5 by root 3 equals to 28.5 into root 3. Now on simplifying this we get x value as 19 root 3 meters. So if we substitute the approximate value of root 3 1.732 and we get x value as 32.908 meters. Therefore the distance walked by the boy towards the temple is 32.908 meters.